So in Chihuahua, there's a dish called Discada, and it's what we're gonna cook now. I have a half a pound of bacon, and then I have 1 pound of chorizo. You need to remove the casing. I'm gonna start adding, okay? This is fun. You chop, I add all of it. We're not adding any other fat because the bacon and the chorizo are gonna render their own fat. You can add the chorizo. We need to cut the potatoes with bite-sized pieces. So now you can help me cut some chile verde. The chile verde is not that spicy, so that's why I'm throwing in a jalapeno. You wanna add the potatoes. You wanna grab onion, and we're gonna chop it. We wanna season with some salt and pepper, cuanto tú quieras. Okay, look at this. This is so beautiful already. We want this to cook for a little while because we want the potatoes to have softened, right? Sammy, you want to throw in the onion in here?
Yeah, sure.
And we need to close the garlic. All the while we're talking, the potatoes are just like basking in the glory of this gorgeous fat. Let's add the chile verde. We're gonna make room for the chile verde. This is a one-pot meal. Like, you don't need anything else.
That's so easy.
And then the jalapeno, you want to throw it in here? Yes. Let me mix this in. Sammy, you want to add the garlic in here. I'm going to make room for the garlic. Okay, you chop a tomato, I chop a tomato. And I do want every bit of the tomato. Now you're gonna make room in the middle.
And why make like a hole in the middle and not just sort of stir it in immediately?
It gives me satisfaction to add a new ingredient. I love watching the colors and the ingredients come together.
It does look good.
It's just for joy, really. Now we're gonna add some chipotles. Okay, take 2 chipotles out. We'll take all
like
the
the
sauce.
sauce.
We can get.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
I think we like. How many of these do we open a
I feel
week?
like we eat cans that are even bigger than that.
Yeah.
Like double the size.
I know. I think we down these with a lunch or a dinner. I think Papi eats 1 chipotle chile with every bite. Okay, let's add the chipotles. We have a pound of pork loin and a pound of beef tenderloin. We're gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. Salt.
Okay.
Pepper.
Yeah.
And I'm adding ground cumin, which is a spice I'm really loving.
Should we mix it up?
Go for it.
This one will be good.
As you guys wash your hands, I'm gonna scrape these into this bowl. Okay, I'm gonna add a little oil.
Okay.
So I want these really hot. Yeah, pero before you stir, let it brown a little and gain a little crust.
The meat barely fits in that though.
I know.
So much.
A ver, let me rinse my hands. Un poquito más, en lo que se acaba podemos calentar las tortillas.
Ooh, it's hot.
Oh my,
my
God. Ok, entonces si quieres la apagamos. Un poquito. Uy, mira esto. Está perfecto.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. I love those chiles. They're like caramelized. They're like all soft.
No wonder this is one of the iconic dishes of an entire state. They're so proud about the discada.